From the shocking moment a fierce storm in Turkey breaches the retaining wall of a river and floods the nearby city streets, to a terrifying flash flood in China washing away hundreds of parked cars and so much more. Here are 4 monster flash floods that were caught on camera. On August 19th of 2021, the northern Black Sea region of Turkey was hit by devastating floods, marking the second natural disaster to strike the country that month. In one village near Bozkurt, a staggering 45 centimeters or 18 inches of rain fell in less than 3 days. The torrential downpour caused widespread damage as cars and debris were tossed along the streets, bridges were destroyed, roads were closed, and electricity was cut off to hundreds of villages. The small town is located in a valley along the banks of the Ezine River in Kastamonu province and just 2.5 kilometers or 1.6 miles from the Black Sea. The footage of the flood-ravaged town shows the moment the water breached the retaining wall and flooded the nearby streets.
Allah felaket, şuna bak şuna. Orada ne yapıyor? Çok kötü. Çok kötü. Çok kötü, çok kötü. Çok kötü. Şehrin içine gir. Çok kötü. Sağa sola yayılıyor.
Abi basıyor şu an, o çay bahçesinin oralar hep suyu açıyor.
Şuraya bak, şuraya bak, şuraya bak. Allah'ım yarabbim.
Orada da şunun burayı da bastı şu an şimdi. Bir taraf bir de bir taraf su içinde.
Allah'ım yarabbim.
About a year before this, another area in Turkey was hit with a similar disaster. On July 13th of 2020, the province of Rize in Turkey experienced severe flooding after heavy rains caused nearby rivers to burst their banks. The town of Çayeli, along with several surrounding towns and villages in the district, were severely affected. According to Turkey's meteorological agency, a staggering 10.7 inches of rain fell in Çayeli in just 24 hours. The heavy rainfall caused severe flooding, and several videos shot by locals show the full extent of the damage. Bridges were nearly destroyed by the weight of the water, and entire residential areas were transformed into oceans. On July 20th of 2018, the city of Lanzhou in northwestern China was hit by a powerful rainstorm that caused flash floods and washed away dozens of vehicles. The streets of the capital city were flooded, and footage shows the floodwater rushing down the streets. The downpour lasted for 6 hours, and rainfall in areas of the city was expected to reach 2 inches or more. The footage shows the flooded streets as cars get swept away by the powerful torrent of water. It seems most people didn't have time to move their cars. Despite the destruction, miraculously no casualties were reported. The video of this event is a must-watch to see the sheer power of nature and how quickly it can change a city. On October 19th of 2021, the state of Uttarakhand in northern India was hit by monstrous floods caused by heavy rainfall. In a 24-hour period, as much as 15 inches of rainfall was recorded. The Central Water Commission of India reported that the Alaknanda and Sarda rivers were flowing well above the danger mark, causing widespread destruction and forcing the evacuation of residents. Images of buildings collapsing and rescue workers evacuating people have surfaced. In the first clip, we see a small landslide caused by the ground saturation. Elsewhere, a group of men hold hands to form a human chain to help rescue people stranded, all while raging waters rush past them. Once the rain finally stopped, rescue crews jumped into action, using heavy machinery to clear debris on the roadways that were blocked. The October 2021 floods sadly resulted in 27 deaths in other areas of the city. Over 600 people had to be rescued, and that's just the ones that were reported. Hopefully, this footage is a clear reminder to never take the power of nature for granted, because you never know where it'll strike next. Well, that's all we have for you today, but if you enjoyed this video and want to see another just like it, be sure to click the link on screen now. And with that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.